Did you know that you can look even more stunning in your 50s than in your 30s? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the little secrets that every beautiful woman over 50 knows, but nobody talks about. Feeling fabulous at 50 is easier than you think. And in this video, I'm sharing 10 essential tips that will help you enhance your natural beauty and confidence over the age of 50. Trust me, these tips will transform the way you feel about yourself. Whether you're just entering this fabulous decade or you've been enjoying it for a while, these tips are sure to boost your beauty routine and your confidence. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Let's start with number 10, skincare. As we age, our skin changes. It loses elasticity and moisture. But don't worry, we can tackle this. Here's the scoop from Vogue magazine. Hyaluronic acid and peptides. Using serums and moisturizers with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides can help retain moisture and restore the skin barrier. Imagine your skin drinking up all that hydration. It's like a spa day in a bottle. And don't forget the face massagers. They boost collagen production and give your skin a lovely, youthful glow. Personally, I love using them while watching TV or reading a book. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. Also, remember to always protect your skin from sun damage with vitamin C and a good SPF. Sun protection is a must at any age, but especially now. So never forget your sunscreen because it's your shield of armor every day. Glowing skin, here we come. Next, let's talk about makeup. Makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not cover it up. According to Vogue magazine, here are some tips to get that youthful glow. Go for lightweight foundations and BB creams. Heavy foundations can settle into fine lines and wrinkles. No thank you. Vogue also advises using cream blushes for a natural flush to your cheeks. It's like you just came back from a brisk walk. Stick to neutral tones in your eyelids and use a bit of shimmer for a subtle sparkle. These can give your skin that youthful glow without looking overdone. Remember, we want to highlight, not overpower. And let's not forget eyebrow care. Well-groomed brows can frame your face beautifully and create a more youthful appearance. A little filling in and shaping can go a long way. Now, on to number 8, hair care. According to Vogue, as time goes on, our hair changes. There's increased shedding, slower growth, more frizz and dryness. But with the right care, it can still look fabulous. Hydration. Keep your hair hydrated with moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. Dry hair is a no-go. Flattering cuts. Opt for cuts that add volume and movement, like soft waves or a chic lob. Right hair color. Choose shades that complement your skin tone. A good hair color can brighten your face and take years off your appearance. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes a new look is just what you need. Number 7, diet and nutrition. Beauty starts from within. Here's what to include in your diet, according to Healthline medical professionals. Antioxidant-rich foods. Foods like broccoli, red bell peppers, spinach, and blueberries are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and benefit overall health and mental well-being. Healthy fats. Sweet potatoes, avocados, nuts, and pomegranate seeds provide various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants great for maintaining skin elasticity and promoting healthy aging. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Think of it as your daily beauty drink. Number 6, physical activity. Staying active is key to looking and feeling good. Gentle activities like yoga and walking help maintain muscle tone and boost circulation. Plus, exercise releases endorphins, which are great for your mood and mental well-being. A happy mind equals a happy glow. Number 5, mental well-being. Speaking of mental health, A positive outlook on life significantly influences your physical appearance, and your mental well-being is just as important as your physical strength. Here's how to keep it in check. Do what you love and socialize. Engage in activities you love and spend time with family and friends. It's a great way to reduce stress and promote a youthful glow. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Some people also find journaling as a way to help them stay grounded and focused on the positive aspects of life. Remember, a calm mind reflects on your face. How about you? What's your favorite way to unwind? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Hydration and sleep. Never underestimate the power of water and sleep because these are fundamental for youthful skin. Keep your skin plump and hydrated by drinking enough water, because the more hydrated you stay, the fewer wrinkles and fine lines you'll see. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. During sleep, your skin repairs itself, and you wake up looking refreshed. Number 3. Clothing and style. Choosing the right clothing and accessories can do wonders for your appearance and confidence. Here are some style tips. Embrace tailored pieces. Tailored pieces, such as a well-fitted blazer, can instantly elevate your look. A structured blazer in a classic color like navy or black adds a polished touch to any outfit. Check out Cindy Crawford in a tailored blazer and trousers. She looks absolutely stunning. Another great example is Angelina Jolie in a tailored blazer and pencil skirt. This combination creates clean lines and highlights your waist, enhancing your silhouette beautifully. It's all about finding pieces that fit well and make you feel confident. Incorporate statement accessories. Statement accessories like a bold necklace or a chic scarf can transform a simple outfit into a stylish ensemble. For instance, adding a colorful silk scarf can brighten your look and draw attention to your face, enhancing your natural beauty. A statement necklace can add elegance and become a focal point, allowing you to keep the rest of your outfit simple yet stunning. Check out our video on how to dress and look elegant over 50 for more tips on styles that make you look and feel amazing. Now let's dive into number 2, regular facials and treatments. Regular facials and professional treatments can rejuvenate your skin and address specific concerns like wrinkles, pigmentation, and sagging. It's also a fantastic way to pamper yourself and keep your skin looking its best. Most important of all, embrace the natural changes that come with aging. Confidence and self-acceptance are the best beauty enhancers. Celebrate your milestones and focus on the positive aspects of aging. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep. A kind heart and a joyful spirit shine the brightest. By adopting these practices, you can maintain and enhance your beauty over 50. Remember, beauty at this stage of life is not just about the external, but also about feeling great from within. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite beauty tip that makes you feel fabulous? Leave a comment below and let's share our secrets to looking more beautiful after 50. If you enjoyed this video on how to be more beautiful after 50, you will surely love this next one.